whether it's internal or external. Most candidates focus mainly on reading and revising. But what many forget is that besides studying, there are other key factors that can either boost or reduce your final score. Number one is ignoring keywords in questions. When the question paper is shared, some students just skim through the questions and jump straight into writing without paying close attention to some important keywords that shows what the examiner actually wants. For example, if a question says to explain a term and you go ahead to just define it, it doesn't matter how good your definition is. The person who extensively explained will clearly score higher. Number two mistake would be not reading instructions carefully. Those instructions you see on question papers are not there for fancy. They are there to guide you on how many questions to answer, how the answers should be presented, and sometimes in what format the answers should be. Skipping these simple steps is a recipe for mark reduction. The third most common mistake that students make is poor time management. If an exam is set for 30 minutes, the very moment the invigilator says start, you are supposed to begin immediately. It's not the time to start hesitating or chatting with your seat partner. Number four would be spending too long on tough questions. Now, this is a trap that many students fall into. They spend too much time racking their brain over one difficult question while time keeps ticking. Instead of sitting stuck on one question, skip it. Yes, skip it and move on to the ones that you know. Then return to it later if you still have time. That way, you've secured marks on the easier questions first. Please note, do not ignore compulsory questions. Number five common examination mistake is bad handwriting and poor presentation. This one is self-explanatory. During an exam, if you have read and followed instructions properly, paid attention to keywords, managed your time effectively, start with questions that you have answers to, but in the end, your presentation is messy or your handwriting is not legible, and the examiner who's marking your script is having a tough time understanding what you've written, I'm sorry, but you might have failed that exam or lost some good marks at it. There you have it, Hubstars. Those are 5 common mistakes that you should avoid when sitting for an examination. In our next video, we'll share 5 simple strategies that can help you score higher in your exams. So if you haven't followed M&J Learning Hub yet, click the follow button so you don't miss out.